remember. I just left Thomas the tank engine outside. Under my dad's car. Oh. Thomas, where are you? Huh? Where did Thomas go? I'm gonna go check over here. Thomas? Hello? Are you there? I can't find you. Are you hiding in these trees? Where are you, Thomas? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna go check over here. Oh my goodness. Thomas, where are you? I'm getting worried. I can't find you. Where are you at? I can't find Thomas anywhere. Hello? Thomas?
Tiger! Come and eat, Tiger!
Yes, Dad. Come and eat. Okay, let me find my Thomas real quick. Oh, it's down here. Alright, I'm ready for my food. Where is it?
Tiger,
Yeah.
what were you doing outside?
I was trying to find Thomas.
Thomas who?
Thomas the tank engine.
Oh, tank engine?
Yeah.
Okay, you hungry?
The train.
Are you hungry?
Yep.
Okay. You want a bowl?
Yep, give me a bowl, please.
Here's the bowl.
Thank you. Alright.
You want cereal?
Yep, I want my cereal.
Here's cereal.
Ooh, my favorite. Come on. Yay.
Oh, there you go.
Bye.
There you go.
Alright.
Tiger,
I just need the milk now, please.
you want milk?
Yep.
Okay. You want a lot of milk?
No, a little bit.
Hmm?
Just actually medium. Yeah, like that.
Okay. Tiger. Tiger,
Yep.
you want a spoon?
Yep, give me spoon.
Here it is.
Yay, spoon.
Eat up.
Mmm.
Good? Tiger,
Yes, Dad?
I'll be back, okay? I gotta move the car, okay?
Okay. Great. Wait. Oh no. Oh, wait. I remember. I just left Thomas the tank engine outside. Under my dad's car. Oh, I gotta go.
What happened, Tiger? What happened?
I just remembered I left my Thomas under your car.
Oh no! Thomas been crushed. No!
Hey, what can we do? Can we fix him?
Oh no! He is gone.
No.
Tiger, what happened?
I left him under here. I just forgot right now.
I remember you looking for Thomas earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, he's all crushed.
I just remembered.
What were you doing when we leave Thomas under the car, Tiger?
Oh, I wanted to act like it was like a train.
Oh, you putting on top of the wheel and you were drying this and you left it and then you went inside to eat some cereal.
Yeah.
Oh, whose fault is it?
You.
No, me. Oh, Mo, Thomas.
Aw.
Guys, Thomas is crushed, guys. Look at this. We can glue it, baby.
Oh, he's just unfixable now.
Oh, look at it. Oh, no.
His bed and stuff like that.
Oh, look at. Oh, my goodness. His railing went up the. Oh, no. Okay, I guess it's time for new Thomas.
What?
This Thomas forever, Tiger.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got like 20 Thomas. This is 19 now.
Yeah.
You know, you're missing one now. So you're down to 19 now. So Tiger loved Thomas. Look, he got crushed, guy. Accident happened, Tiger. I told you, always leave your toy in a safe place. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll go find out Thomas. We'll go buy more Thomas, huh, Tiger?
Okay.
We'll go look for Thomas.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go. Oh, let's take this Thomas with us.
What's up, guys? If you like this video and you want to see more video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.